Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, and joining me is financial expert Eli Sterling. Good morning, Eli.
Good morning, Maya. Great to be here.
Let's dive right in. The Federal Reserve made headlines yesterday with a 25 basis point rate cut, citing a weakening labor market. Jay Powell signaled caution going forward. How did markets react?
Markets weren't thrilled, Maya. The smaller-than-expected cut and lack of clear guidance led to a negative reaction. Investors had priced in more certainty and instead got a message of caution. That's weighing heavily on sentiment today.
Let's shift gears to technical analysis. We've got several crypto assets showing interesting setups. Let's start with AVAX USDT on the daily chart. Eli, what's the story here?
AVAX is painting a compelling picture. Price recently reclaimed every Fibonacci level and is now testing its all-time high at $35.38. Momentum indicators like RSI and stock RSI are in overbought territory, which means caution is warranted.
So are we looking at a breakout or a blow-off top?
It's a tight call. The trend is clearly bullish, confirmed by rising volume and indicators like MACD and ZLMA. But price is extended. I'd recommend trailing stops above the ZLMA around $32.10 and waiting for a confirmed breakout above $35.38 before adding fresh longs.
Interesting. Let's move to ADA USDT. What do the indicators tell us about its trajectory?
ADA's forming a textbook early uptrend. Price is above the 23.6% Fib retracement and pushing toward the swing high at 0.9525. Stock RSI just flipped bullish, and MACD is strengthening above the signal line. It's a solid setup if it holds above 0.9125.
And where would you place your stop loss here?
Below the swing low at 0.8540, or for active traders, just beneath the ZLMA, approximately 0.9110 keeps you in the game with tighter risk.
Let's talk about SUI USDT. It's been flying under the radar, but not anymore. What's happening here?
SUI is showing signs of life. It's bouncing above the 23.6% Fib level and flirting with its recent swing high. Stock RSI just turned bullish, and the ZLMA crossover confirmed upside momentum. But the zero-lag trend indicator hasn't officially triggered a buy yet, so patience is key.
What kind of targets are we looking at if this breaks out?
Psychological resistance is at $4. Beyond that, we'd look to Fibonacci extensions for targets. Stops should stay below the ZLMA minus 3.7 to protect against false moves.
Now let's check in on SOL USDT. It's been one of the stronger performers. Any red flags?
SOL is strong, but it's hitting resistance at $253.35. ADX shows a strong trend, and stock RSI is climbing, but both stochastic indicators are nearing overbought zones. Price also just dipped below the ZLMA, which tempers the bullish outlook slightly.
So a wait-and-see approach might be wise here.
Exactly. I'd watch for a retest above $248.50 to confirm trend resumption. Until then, ride existing longs with stops just below the EMA, approximately $226.
We'll wrap up with Link USDT. Where's it heading next?
Link is testing its first major resistance at $24.66, the 23.6% Fib level. It recently reclaimed the ZLMA, which is a bullish sign, and MFI shows rising buying pressure. But the zero-lag trend is still bearish, so we're in a tug-of-war.
A breakout above that level would flip the script.
Absolutely. A close above $25.51 would confirm a full retracement and open doors to new highs. Until then, treat rallies as cautious plays unless we see clean follow-through.
Thanks, Eli. To sum up, caution amid Fed uncertainty, strong trends in AVAX and ADA, breakout potential in SUI and Link, and consolidation mode for SOL. What should traders watch for tomorrow?
Keep an eye on that $35.38 level in AVAX, the 95 cents handle in ADA, and whether Sol can reclaim its Zelma. And of course, any further Fed commentary could shake things up. Stay nimble.
Thanks for breaking it down, Eli. That's all for today's Market Pulse. Join us again tomorrow for more insights. I'm Maya Keynes.